Today, we are going to describe characters in a story, particularly the character Winn-Dixie from the book Because of Winn-Dixie by Kate DiCamillo. So, we've already described different physical traits and personality traits of Winn-Dixie. So, we're ready to write a paragraph now. Let's take some of your ideas and let's look at the original question. Which trait causes Opal to want to adopt Winn-Dixie? Well, let's grab a pencil, paper, marker, uh, anything you have to write with, and follow along with me as we begin a paragraph. Which trait causes Opal to want to adopt Winn-Dixie? Thing I really like to do right away when beginning a paragraph is restate the question. Which trait causes Opal to want to adopt Winn-Dixie? I'm going to restate or take the question and kind of rewrite it in my own way to begin answering that question. So, I think there were many traits that probably caused Opal to want to adopt Winn-Dixie, so I'm just going to say that. I think there are many traits. And I'm thinking, how do I spell traits? I'll look right back up here. I need to know how to spell Opal. I'll look back up here. If I need Winn-Dixie's name capitalized, I'll look up there. I think there are many traits that cause Opal to want to adopt Winn-Dixie. Long sentence. You can do it. Let's name some traits now. The physical traits described by third grade students. So Winn-Dixie physically, when you look at him, he's playful and smiles. He smells bad. He's playful and full of energy, brown, small, adorable, huge, scruffy looking, dirty, stinky, cute, fluffy, furry, likes to smile, show teeth, sneeze, and make new friends, and yellow fur, smelled cute, bald. Okay, so our physical traits then. I'm going to begin the next sentence of the paragraph with some physical oh, we've got to go back and look to make sure I know how to spell physical. P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L. I looked right up here. Some physical traits that Opal loved were that he was most everyone said, cute, fluffy, furry. He was very cute and playful. How do you know this? How do you know about those physical traits? Well, in the book, Kate DiCamillo describes Winn-Dixie to us. So his physical traits, um, he was very cute and playful. No wonder she wanted to adopt him. Okay, let's move on to personality traits. Another reason Opal may have wanted to adopt. See how I keep going back to like the, you know, topic question. May another reason Opal may have wanted to adopt Winn-Dixie is what? Let's talk personality. Well, he was scared. He's friendly. He likes to be friends with everyone. Definitely scared of storms and very funny and smart. So let's add another sentence. When you're writing a paragraph, it's a good idea to stop, reread what you have, fix any mistakes along the way. I think there are many traits that cause Opal to want to adopt Winn-Dixie, period. Make sure your next sentence starts with a capital S. Some physical traits that Opal loved were that he was very cute and playful. Another reason Opal may have wanted to adopt Winn-Dixie is he had a fun personality. Now I'm going to cite some evidence from the text. I'm going to tell about a time when I thought he had a fun personality. When this is like my proof. When Dixie showed his funny I'm going to go up here and look for some other words that are besides just funny, friendly, and cute, gentle, likes to meet people, friendly. Okay, so funny, friendly. I read that many times. Many of you thought that Winn-Dixie was friendly. Winn-Dixie showed his funny, friendly, cute side. Sorry, I just started writing in cursive automatically. When he picked up a mouse in church. Let's wrap this up with a conclusion sentence. These are a few ways. Too many S's. Going too fast. These are a few ways that show why Opal wanted Winn-Dixie. Period. Okay. Let's see what we have. Did we answer the question? I think there are many traits that cause Opal to want to adopt Winn-Dixie. Some physical traits that Opal loved were that he was very cute and playful. Another reason Opal may have wanted to adopt Winn-Dixie is he had a fun personality. Winn-Dixie showed his funny, friendly, cute side when he picked up a mouse in church. That's evidence, by the way, that Winn-Dixie has a fun personality. These are a few ways that show why Opal wanted Winn-Dixie.